Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. This video is going to cover the Apple Watch's Control Center. The Control Center gives you an easy way to check your battery, silence your watch, turn on Do Not Disturb, turn your Apple Watch into a flashlight, put your Apple Watch into airplane mode, turn on theater mode, and more. I'm going to cover the top 3 things I use the most in the Control Center: the flashlight, silent mode, and Find My iPhone. To open the Control Center from the watch face, swipe up. From other screens, you can touch and hold the bottom of the screen, then swipe up. You can't open the Control Center from the app screen on your iWatch. Instead, press the digital crown to go to the watch face or open an app, then open the Control Center. To close Control Center, swipe down from the top of the screen or simply press the digital crown. You can rearrange the buttons in the Control Center by following these steps. Number 1, touch and hold the bottom of the screen, then swipe up to open the Control Center. Number 2, scroll to the bottom of the Control Center, then tap the Edit button. Number 3, drag a button around to the new location where you want it. And finally, number 4, tap Done when you're finished. The first item I'd like to discuss is using the flashlight on the Apple Watch, probably the most used thing that I do. Use the flashlight to light a darkened door lock, alert others when you're out for an evening run, or light nearby objects while preserving your night vision. It's a very handy option. To turn on the flashlight, touch and hold the bottom of the screen, swipe to open the Control Center, then tap the flashlight icon. Swipe left to choose a mode: steady white light, flashing white light, or steady red light. To turn off the flashlight, press the digital crown or the side button, or swipe down from the top of the watch face, or the one I prefer is simply just put your hand over the watch. The next one I'd like to discuss is turning on the silent mode. Touch and hold the bottom of the screen, swipe up to open the Control Center, then tap the little bell icon. If your Apple Watch is charging, alarms and timers will still sound even in the silent mode. You can also open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch, tap Sounds and Haptics, then turn on silent mode. Another tip: when you get a notification, you can quickly mute your Apple Watch by resting the palm of your hand on the watch display for at least 3 seconds. You'll feel a tap to confirm that mute is on. Make sure to turn on Cover to Mute in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then go to Sounds and Haptics. The last one, and one that I probably use on a daily basis: how to locate your iPhone. Your Apple Watch can help you find your iPhone if it's nearby. If you're like me, I forget everything. This is a great feature to locate your iPhone if the watch is connected and in range. Touch and hold the bottom of the screen, swipe up to open the Control Center, then tap the locate icon. Your iPhone makes a tone so you can track it down. Here's a neat tip: if you're in the dark, touch and hold the ping iPhone button and the iPhone flashes as well. If your iPhone isn't in range of your Apple Watch, try using Find My from iCloud. The opposite of this is Find Your Apple Watch. If you lost your watch, use Find My to find it. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap Devices, then tap your watch list in the list. You can play a sound on your watch, tap directions to see directions to it in the map, mark it as lost, or even erase it. You can also track your Apple Watch using Find My and iCloud. So these are 3 tips with the control panel in your Apple Watch. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.